Hello! Just got off work, did a little bit of journaling, and now I'm headed to get a COVID test. I got hit with a cold. In order to return to volunteering, I have to have either doctor approval or a COVID test.
Can't you see I'm rich? It's like don't need you.
That really hurt. Back home, and now I'm gonna be doing some grad school work.
Ryan Little.
My mom's on her way home right now with Habit. I'm getting my favorite Caesar salad, but other than that, I'll see ya tomorrow. Wednesday. Something that I've been waiting on for about 2 weeks has arrived in the mail, so I'm gonna go get that. Now I want to mention the sponsor of today's video, Ruggable. Not sponsored, it was a gift from my mom after my dog took shit on my rug, so yeah. Honestly, she's not really what I expected, but we still like her. Ruggable. After work, I body showered and packed up a little tote bag, and now I'm at babysitting. It's really pretty outside. This is my favorite time of day, when the sun is just reflecting on like the mountains and the trees and everything. I'm feeling like really congested and puffy. I don't know why I wake up and I can't breathe every morning. So it's like 8:20. I start work in like 10 minutes. I really need to stop waking up at this time because I hate it. I was watching my old video that went up, and I was waking up in the morning, like taking my supplements, eating breakfast, took a shower. Like I looked like I had some life in my face, and now I'm like, what happened? Like, what changed? Honestly though, it's a beautiful day outside. I love this view from my window. You can hear the birds chirping out here, and it's just very naturey, sunny, pretty vibes. I think I for sure agree with like Spotify. I'd have to have some sort of music.
Everything I've been feeling about us lately, but I feel like the moment I say something, he'll act like it's too complicated and then just leave. I don't wanna cry in front of you, 'cause I know you won't do the same. And I'm so tired of trying to get through. Why you acting like it's a game? It's not funny when you try to change the subject. Oh, it's not funny.
Alright, so I took a quick trip to Trader Joe's on my lunch break, and I just want to show a little haul of some of the stuff that I got. Sourdough sandwiches, tomato, basil, and mozzarella, a staple. I got Mexican cheese and salsa to go with some refried beans, rice, and chips that I have at home. Got a steak because I was feeling crazy. Rice medley.
Alexa, shuffle songs by
Rice
Joe
medley.
Lemon's Big Band.
Alexa, off. Can you
Alexa,
stop being an
shuffle
asshole?
songs. You know what, Mia? You go in your room and spend a little shitty video.
I got spring mix and arugula. And then the other last thing that I just got is a couple bananas for snack.
I just need you here with me. I've never felt like this, baby. Caught up in your gravity, but you still don't feel happy. Yeah, I can see it on your face. You ain't been feeling away. You're getting kinda dismayed, and feeling dismayed is kind of insane. I wanna talk about your done, had me thinking that you were the one. Kinda shit that to you it was fun to take all my love and leave it.
I am in my room now doing some more work. I just realized that I have not eaten really much of anything today, so I decided I wanted to make a chickpea salad, but I need to roast the chickpeas and preheat the oven and do all of that stuff. So I decided to just grab a banana to hold myself over for a little bit. All right, I found a recipe online that said to do 425 for 25 minutes. Working outside again. Literally nothing new is going on, but I brought the salad out here because I wanted to actually make sure it tasted good before any of you guys got ideas. This could fully be like foul. It's got a good bite. That was very good. Happy Friday. I just went to a C2 6 a.m. yoga class. I debated going to the class for like 15 minutes in bed. If you ever are kind of on the fence about doing something that's like healthy and good for you, you should do it. And after the fact, you'll probably be thankful or appreciative. And if you're not, don't do it again. It's very simple.
Ryan Little.
And I decided to bring out this bad boy. I haven't made steak in a very long time, so I'm slightly intimidated. Oh, wait, this is crazy. This YouTuber just fucking replied to me. Her name is Alexis Sparks, and she's been trying to get to 10,000 Instagram subscribers or Instagram followers for a very long time. She finally hit 10K today. She had this little story that I replied hard eyes to. And then she sent back a couple hearts. So I just said, girl, I'm starstruck. You were so sweet for responding. So proud you hit your goal. Woman supporting woman. Take notes, ladies. Didn't really vlog any of the work day today, but I'm off of work and I just drove to pick up my babysitting check. I'm gonna clean up the kitchen a little bit and then I'm going out to dinner with a friend.
My old lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him.
for your race? You're gonna get first place. What do you think?
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it.